For more than 30 years, Eclipse has been involved in the creation of some of the most successful document software solutions in the world. With a history of founders and team members coming from the top vendors of document design and software, Eclipse has established itself as the pioneer in the document, label, and forms industry. Our team gained extensive experience, knowledge, and wisdom by building programs like JetForm, Adobe Central, and Lifecycle. This journey led us to creating DocOrigin, a global enterprise software solution for designing and generating dynamic enterprise forms. Our software includes a multilingual feature where it can generate documents in almost any language. Not only does DocOrigin provide you solutions for your document requirements, but it also takes advantage of any unused white space in transactional documents, the perfect marketing tool message for all customers to see. Whether you're producing large volumes of invoices, statements, or a single customer letter, DocOrigin handles your needs quickly, easily, and affordably. All this, plus you can deliver anywhere your customer wants: email, print, SMS, cloud, or fax. Since 2011, DocOrigin has established itself as the top-of-the-line customer communications management solution. But it's time for a new journey with Eclipse. Eclipse streamlined electronic forms conversion service makes migration of legacy forms and documents easy and efficient. We even recently recorded a head-to-head competitive test against our largest competitor, proving that we're still at the top when it comes to speed and document storage. Continue to save money, build value, and increase your return on investment in documents, technology, and people. Join us on this new and exciting journey with Eclipse. Visit eclipsecorp.us to learn more.